way, dude. Bro, this is the coolest thing ever.
All he did was pull it off the trailer and it already doesn't look real.
This is so cool, bro. All right, guys, so a couple months ago on our podcast, I asked my friend Justin, who's an electrical engineer, if he could make us an RC four-wheeler or snowmobile.
You might be able to help us with this idea as well. Making like a remote control four-wheeler.
After releasing that podcast in October, I was actually reached out to by Justin over here, who said, hey, I've made a RC Goldwing. I can help you with your RC dreams of making a four-wheeler. So we bought this 1000 Polaris scrambler, and Justin and Josh spent the last 2 or 3 months building us an RC quad so we can play with it and live out our dreams of just being grown-up children once again. And now we have a remote control 1000cc four-wheeler. The craziest thing ever.
I gotta say, guys, we've had this idea for a long time, so thank you for making this dream come true. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it.
Before you guys say, we copied Whistling Diesel with his RC tank, which is crazy that he released this like 2 weeks ago. We've been working on this for a long time, but I guess great minds think alike. Maybe one day we'll get both of them together.
You know, I've had a lot of RC cars and they've never lasted very long, so I'm hoping better for this thing.
Ryan was an RC car nerd back when he was a kid.
Says a lot about me, dude. It's pretty sketchy being 1000 cc's just like all on its own. We try to do as much setup as we can, so like if it ever went out of range, it'll kill it and apply the brakes.
How far is range?
We don't know, we never tested it.
The neighbors are about to find out when it ends up in their living room.
Fully remote control. You should be able to start it up out in the field, all from the remote, drive it around, brake and everything. So obviously every throttle.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Right, look at Dude, this is legit. Are you guys are engineers?
Yeah, a little bit.
I do HVAC, but close enough.
Close enough.
Yeah, you guys are qualified.
So then down here, see this yellow switch?
Yep.
Go ahead and switch out your thumb, and that's gonna do your brakes. So the first setting is just halfway on, and then all the way in is all the way on. If you wanna do like a burnout or lock up the front tires. And so now the green button you're gonna treat like a key. So you're gonna turn it on, once it starts, turn it back off.
Oh my gosh. All right, look at this.
Wow.
For a guy that does HVAC, you did a pretty good job.
We try our best, we try our best.
Oh my God.
Where are you going? Right through the trees.
All right, we're coming down the ditch here.
Oh! Oh! Almost hit the security camera.
I was more focused on what I was doing versus where I was going. All right, brake is all the way on. See if she does a burnout. Well, I think we're gonna have a good time with this today.
You seem to be a natural. I mean, that was great.
A natural. He hit the camera and almost hit your truck.
How long until this thing is total?
Realistically,
45 minutes.
please don't total it. Well, I know shit, I'm not gonna try.
You don't care when you like smash up one of those little RC cars, but like this is gonna suck.
Yeah, you can't go to Radio Shack when this one breaks.
This is so weird. Don't run into my truck.
I'm gonna try not to.
My question is, who gets the ticket if this thing's riding on the road?
Polaris. Every little thing I do could be a potential barrel roll down the road.
All right, let me turn this thing around.
You just hit the man, dude!
You just smoked the box.
Yeah,
I couldn't see. I literally couldn't see. That's the second box that we have to buy this month.
Hold on, we might be able to bend it back. Nope, it might be broken.
Oh, cripes.
Well, hold on.
Man, that was quick.
Arvig, if you're watching this, just send the bill to us.
Just took one of these out with my Subaru the other day and it was 8 hundos.
This happens all the time, don't worry about it. I think everything inside is fine, so like they should all still have power.
That whole road loses power. They're like, what the heck?
They're just without power for like a month.
To be fair, I couldn't see. CJ's head was in the way.
Oh yeah, it's my fault. My head was in the way. Wait, some tape and it'll be fine. Let's get back to riding.
Back to it.
Kind of scary being next to this thing.
No, I wouldn't get close.
So we did do a giveaway with this back in October, and the winner, we'll put his name down right here. He ended up taking the cash option, so we still have this thing. And then also we will be announcing the winner of our previous giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned. But that's why we still have this thing and we're riding, so.
Was it sketchy though? Because that thing, it does get darty. Like I try and correct and then it overcorrects, and then pretty soon I'm just like trying to save it to go straight.
I trust the machine, I don't trust you.
That's fair. That's very fair.
It jumps well.
That happened so fast. We were just celebrating, and next thing you know, it's literally doing a full-on somersault.
It's not good.
What do we think about that bent metal piece there, boys?
I think it's fine. It's meant to bend. We built it that way.
We did?
I think.
All right, so after the crash, I did bend up a couple things, and the steering needs to basically be retuned. And then we've got one other thing to bring out and maybe help this thing stay a little bit more planted. All right here, looks good.
Oh my goodness, dude.
All right, so we got a life-size crash test dummy. This is like the real deal. It costed $2,300. It weighs 170 pounds, and I think is like 5'10".
And his name is Randy.
Yeah.
Wait, grab him under his shoulder.
He's just my height.
All right, I think we gotta get some clothes on this thing. We can't have him riding around naked. Fucking helmet. Come on, buddy. Let's see how long we can get Ken standing next to the dummy before he realizes it's a dummy.
Look that bad.
Yeah, I feel bad your first time seeing it is, you know, a little twisted, but.
I honestly don't see anything wrong with it.
Oh. Well, introduce yourself.
You gotta be gentle with him, Ken. Take two, let's see if this goes a little bit better than the first time. Hopefully I got the kinks worked out. This doesn't make me a quad guy, does it?
No, Randy's a quad guy though.
Randy!
Randy drives like the town drunk, just kind of half piled up.
Randy cracked his helmet. He hit so hard he cracked his helmet. Oh my gosh.
That's why you wear a helmet, kids. Okay, let's see if she runs. I think we're good. Oh! Are you good, bro?
I'm good.
All right, let's go jump this thing.
Jesus Christ.
Easy enough, right?
Randy!
Oh, I cased it! Sorry about that, Randy.
There was a guy on the road watching this. I can't imagine what he's thinking.
Oh, dude, that one was aggressive. Everything's going good until you have to slow down and turn. That's when things go wrong.
That typically is the problem with these four-wheelers. They tend to not be good at that.
I should have done something more stable, like a three-wheeler.
Oh man, why didn't we think of that?
Casing of the motor busted on that rollover.
That's it.
Well, maybe.
I mean, we can just ride her straight. We could line up for one more big jump.
Yeah, we can try.
Oh, dude, Ben.
You broke Randy. Seriously?
Oh no!
Oh my God, Randy.
Are you kidding me, dude?
His head exploded.
Oh my god, the front bumper is blowed out.
You really did totally.
That's what we call a jam up. Got any words of advice for me here, Ed?
I'd probably just go hit the hot tub, have a couple teas, think about what you've done.
He doesn't even think about what he's done. He's lying. He just goes and has a couple teas and relaxes.
What's up, guys? today we partnered up with DraftKings Sportsbook, an official partner of the NFL, to get you close to all the action. Right now, new customers who bet just $5 will get $150 in bonus bets instantly. Download the DraftKings Sportsbook app today and sign up using our promo code Cboystv. If you're like me and you're already signed up for DraftKings, you can get a no sweat bet. Get a bonus bet back if your same game parlay SGPX bet doesn't hit. If you're feeling like a high roller, or if you're a fan of multiple teams, you can combine multiple bets for a chance at an even bigger payout. If sports betting is not yet available in your state, not to worry, join in on all the fun with DraftKings Daily Fantasy Sports. So download the DraftKings Sportsbook app today, use our promo code Cboystv, and bet $5 and get $150 in bonus bets instantly. Thank you, DraftKings, for sponsoring today's video. Now back to it.
These guys don't know how to drift.
2016 called the old stomping grounds is open. Dude, I feel kind of lame. Everybody came back with like turbos and V8s and like cool cars. I'm still in the same one I was driving 10 years ago.
Right. Alright boys, we got a little drift video planned for today. So if you guys have been watching for a long time, you would recognize this place. We used to come here when we were just like 15, 16-year-old kids and just mob our cars at the time. Oh my god! And we're back today. So Jake got this Mustang. He's got a angle kit in the front, so it turns really sharp, and then he's got this drift stick in here.
This is all magic happens, baby.
The dude's pretty obsessed with drifting, so he was like, you guys should bring your drift cars over and let's make a day of it. So over here we've got our 1988 Mazda Miata, which we bought for $3,000 to compare to Mike's $30,000 Nissan 350Z drift car. That is like the ultimate Mac Daddy drift car. It's got everything done to it. LS swap motor, 550 horsepower. And our Mazda over here, I don't want to say outshines it, but it gives it an extreme run for its money.
Today's your day to redeem yourself. I'm telling you that right now. There's so much room here that you can't mess up.
I think I can still mess up, but Jake's been looking really good out there lately.
Jake, how many practice laps you take before we came here?
I got the home track advantage here. Let's be honest.
Dude's been practicing for like 2 weeks. Like, all right, I'm ready. You guys come over, bring the cameras. We're gonna make a good video.
Yeah.
I still think we got to see the TC drift this corner like it did 9 years ago.
I think it's still got it. That exactly.
I don't know if Ryan's got the driving skills though. You might need to borrow your gloves, Jake.
Yeah, I know
you were in one driving glove.
I do. My wheel's slippery, dude.
Going convertible?
Got it.
Mike, did you just overheat?
Yeah, but it's been running for like an hour.
Oh, what?
Mike didn't even make it off the line. It already blew a radiator hose. Sell this thing and buy 10 Miatas.
Okay.
Evan, I have full confidence that Miata's gonna do some work. Let's go.
Hey, Mike, you want to push your car off that way?
I don't think I'm about to do it myself.
Damn, Mike. A lot of time and money in this car. Not a lot of driving.
You've probably driven this thing for what, an hour tops?
Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah, probably about an hour.
These guys ripping off into the sunset.
Filled up Mike's radiator with some hose water, so it should be good to do a lap now.
You gotta get Mike going before his car breaks again.
We don't have much time!
And it's broken.
Some Something about the higher horsepower makes them sound more professional, but they definitely aren't.
Dude, all of them are just darting every which way. I tell you what, there's few things more scary in life than seeing a Mustang coming at you sideways at Mach 1.
I'm not gonna lie, when I saw Ev, I got really scared.
This thing's running like shit!
Man, that thing sucks. All right, Mike, what's up now?
Ain't got no gas in it.
Gas?
I actually don't know. I can't get the gas cap off, but it petered out like it was out of gas.
Damn, dude.
Yeah.
Can't even open the gas cap on this thing?
No.
Jeez Louise.
What do we expect?
The gas cap's broken now. Can't tell us anything. Everything.
You rattled, Ev?
Yeah, I'm a little rattled. My performance has been off these last few bits. Can't ride a dirt bike, can't drive a car.
To be fair, Ev should be on the injured reserve list after what he did 2 days ago on his dirt bike.
No days off.
Well, we did say, Ev, why don't you sit this one out? Somebody else drives a Miata, and you said, I repeat, ain't nobody else driving my fucking Miata.
Yeah! Ryan! Man, that guy is working with the least out here, and he's doing great.
Ryan is the smoothest one out here today.
Don't believe me, come and see me. Got these bitches from my genie. Now I'm on your double kitty. I'm a dog, I get this skinny. Say she wanna come and see me. Then I been on the city. I'm like, oh, so please step aside so they can see me. And
No way!
walk up in this bitch like, yeah, I'm really here. Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really here. Walk in this bitch like, yeah, I'm really here. Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really here.
Oh, we got Ryan off road! Oh my gosh! Ryan went off the road just like old time's sake. I say we chalk it up before someone actually breaks something.
Look at Mike's rig, looking like a choo-choo train. Imagine having a 30K drift car and just getting shit on by a TC.
Mike, we're done. We're going home.
Why wouldn't that
God,
happen?
the hood broke now. You shouldn't have put gas in it. You bent your quarter panel.
The hood flew off.
You didn't batten down the hatches!
Oh my God. Yo, Mike, I think you just gotta call it on the drifting, man. Like it ain't working.
I gotta get this closed.
This dude's had 3 or 4 different problems and done 2 laps. 2 laps.
Not done yet.
40 minutes and
He's not done yet. The fucking wing might fall off now.
It did that much damage.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, bro. He needs new front fenders.
Need new quarter panels.
What's wrong with you? Bro, this one's broke off. And he said this one doesn't work.
Jake, I mean, partly it's the car.
There's no safety involved with this car.
Mike, dude, just hang it up, bro.
I'd post it on Facebook Marketplace right here.
With the hood up, put the stick in there.
Like you're advertising, like showing how good the motor is. Like,
Take the hood off.
Well, this should help with the cooling issues.
Should.
No way!
Alright, hit it quick, man! You got it, man! His dream's coming true. He's finally driving it.
Yeah, boy!
Drift car, man! Oh my god. Dude, you were ripping for those 2 laps.
I'm proud of you, bro. This is gonna be an ongoing thing.
No, I don't think this thing's going anywhere, Mike. All right, guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. As CJ has stated earlier, we're gonna announce the winners for both the quad and the dirt bike giveaway for Black Friday, along with the scrambler winner. So, as CJ had mentioned earlier, the scrambler winner actually took the cash. So $15,000 was wired straight to Kobe Peppel from Sweet Home, Oregon. So congratulations to Kobe. And the winner for the quad and the dirt bike giveaway is Travis Davis from Jefferson, Iowa, who also took the cash of $20,000. So we wired both the guys the money, and now we're sitting on a couple of toys we might keep, we might sell. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with them. This is gonna be the last video of the year for us. We have a year-end recap next week, and then we're taking 2 weeks off. It's like the only break that we take all year. So we'll be back on January 18th with a banger video. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys in 2024.